Okay, guys, I am going to be doing an airsoft gun show-off basically thing today. And here are my two guns I'm going to be using. My Taurus pistol. It is spring-loaded. This is my Aftermath M16. It is electric. And I'm going to do the pistol first. Give me a second to load it. I'm going to set this right here and show you guys how to do this. Okay, so take some BBs. There's a hole in the bottom, so I just pour it out. Oh, I killed it with my butterfly knife. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have one. I wish. Okay. I actually sniped a hole in it with the M16. I put it on semi. It was like really, really far away. I tried to snipe the zombie on the side, but no, of course I hit the bottom of it. I will explain more about that later. So, you guys are going to watch me shoot the pistol first. I'm going to try to get one of the cans done on my first try. I'm going to shoot one with each. Then I'm going to put the M16. I'm going to change it from semi to fully auto. And I'll just go rage against the last one, which hopefully will be the Arizona, which is the one in the middle. And I'm actually drinking one right now. See, awesome armor powder. Yeah, it's awesome. Crap, drop it. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, screw that. Okay, so here's, because I took the clip, and so now I'm just taking these little plastic BBs. That's what the airsoft shoots. BB gun shoots metal BBs, and so does a pellet gun. So now you just take this, you push back up into it until it clicks. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna set this up right. Actually, no. Hopefully this will stay right here. No, it's not going to. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna aim from here. Hopefully, I almost got it. Oh, okay, I knocked down that bottle. Good. I hit the Arizona, but I didn't knock it over, so good. Okay, now I take this. I just dumped the BBs into this side right here. I'm not gonna open it all the way because I don't want them to come pouring out. And I take this roller. It's electric, and then this has a roller piece on the bottom. And then you click it on, and it rolls for you. And all the BBs go into here, where it goes into the Aftermath right here, the M16. And slip it in just like the other one. Now, first of all, I'm gonna go semi. Hopefully, you guys can see this. And first, that's a Coke can. Oh, first try, nice. Die, birdie. Die. Okay. Now I'm going to go rage, fully auto, at this last one. Yeah. Oh god, this is really a stupid idea. Die, birdie. Die. Die, birdie. Okay, so, what do you guys... I'm gonna do. Oh, of course you can't hear it. I'm still recording. Wow, I'm really an idiot. Okay, so I am going to set them up one last time, and I am going to try to full on snipe all three of them. They're going to be stacked up. They're good. Okay. Okay, so they're going to be stacked up super, like right, they're going to be stacked up behind each other, and I'm going to be a super far distance away. I'm going to try to snipe the first one and make all three of them fall over. Okay, so, now, I'm going to set this up, I'm going to roll this. Time before Okay, so give it a second. Okay. Oh, all the scraps in the way. Oh, crap. I almost spilled my BB that full bottom. Okay, so I go back here. Set this up here, right? Oh, boss, you can't see that. Okay, I'm gonna go way back behind here. I'm just setting up the phone right there so I can see the target. Hopefully it does see it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you liked the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, bye.